Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes and views on your Instagram posts. Very simple, very easy. Let's click on the Instagram app first and let's create our post. Let's click on the plus sign in the lower center of the screen. Let's create a new post. Let's click on this one. Let's click on this one. You can change filters and you can add multiple different settings over here. Then you click next. You add the captions, you add the hashtags, metadata, everything included. You can tag your friends over here, put up the location. As you can see, you can actually add music here. You can replace the music from here as well. And the biggest tip and the hidden feature is right over here, right before posting. The last option on this menu over here is advanced settings. You want to click on advanced settings, okay? And here you will have the option to hide like and view counts on this post by simply clicking over here. Only you will see the total number of likes and views on this post. You can change this later by going to this particular menu at the top of the post to hide likes counts to other people's posts, to go to your settings. I actually gave you this option for Facebook, a detailed explanation, and I show you where this feature is located. You can hide other people's likes and comments and interactions, these love emojis and cry emojis, right? So this is very important, but this is how you can actually limit the interactions, especially for smaller accounts or smaller creators who really take this very, very emotionally, right? I think this is a helpful feature. You can also turn off the comments over here. As you can see, the next option is you can turn off the comments. Very interesting feature. Hide likes and hide the view counts. For example, you post a picture or a video, no one will be able to see how many people view the video or the picture, how many likes, how many interactions. If you guys find this helpful, subscribe and come back for more.